Well, good morning. Happy Saturday morning. Episode 15 of Friendship Fox. As I was talking about on my last video, I came up with this really cool heater core, which is going to be my cabin heat mechanism. This is out of a Mazda Miata. And I can't believe the luck that I've got on this thing. And I wanted to show this off because it's almost like it's made for this. I'm going to build a cover that goes over this, and it's going to accept a fan, and we're going to 3D print it, so it's all going to be clean and beautiful and everything. And the fan I picked out is 80 watts, 12 volts, and I can either push air through it for cabin heat, or I can pull air back. And what my thinking is on that is I want to pull air back. I'll run it up to a ductwork right off over the bottom, probably out to the bottom, okay? So I can get some extra engine cooling without heating the cabin up. I was thinking, well, I can kind of put up with that. But, it gets pretty hot inside these things with all this, the glass and the plastic. It just gets too damn warm, even on a semi-cool day. So I can flip a switch, I can reverse that fan, I can go one direction or the other, and it's really going to work out good. And everything's fitting, it's going to fit in here just very, very nicely. All the instruments and everything are not going to mess with this. It's not close enough. And the wiring and everything can go around anyway, so that's no problem. But if you see how I've done this, see the firewall, there's the in and out, and all this is stock Mazda Miata. I mean, I'm telling you, they might as well stamp Kit Fox on this thing because it was made for it. I'm really lucking out here. I want to show this off a little bit because if you guys are thinking about doing some cabin heat, or maybe you want to make a little bit better mousetrap, I think this is pretty cool. Okay, of course I'll put rubber grommets in there and I'll make it right, and the mount will be, rubber mounted, and it will all be, right. I'll make everything right. It's just sitting in there now just to show you what I'm doing here. Let me go around the other side and kind of get a different view of it. Here we go. And there you are. Look at this. I mean, is that just slick? As slick as can be. I just think that's the coolest thing ever. I'm really, really impressed with how this is just setting it in there. It's hard to believe. So I've got my guy. We're going to start designing this cover that goes on here. It will accept the fan, and then on top of the fan there'll be a set to put a tube on there of some kind. Well, not a tube, ducting, some kind of duct work. Okay, and then I'll run it out, and I'll just blow it out through the bottom where I'll run it out to. Okay. So, I mean, you can see what I'm doing here. It's pretty obvious, and I think it's really going to turn out nice. And as I go along here, I'll show you what I've done and how I do it and everything else. And, of course, please comment. Tell me what you think, But I think it's really going to be really professional. It's going to be really cool, okay? Let's kind of look underneath here and look down here, and we'll get it from the other way. Okay, that's where it's going to tilt it down right onto your knees and your lap a little bit. It's going to be really cozy. It's going to work out really good. Okay, so I'm going to make this a shorty. I don't have much else to show. I just was kind of excited about it and wanted to show it off a little bit. So you guys have a good day. I hope it works out for you, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.